Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, it manages your life. Books your flights, drafts your emails, reminds you to drink water, helps you learn Spanish, and even nudges you to call your mom. In 2025, that fantasy is getting surprisingly real. Welcome back, your home for intelligent takes on AI trends, tools, and transformations. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and fast-developing trends in the space: personal AI agents. These aren't just chatbots. We're talking about smart, semi-autonomous assistants that learn your preferences, automate your routine, and act on your behalf. Are we finally getting our own Jarvis? Let's find out. What are personal AI agents? A personal AI agent is a digital assistant powered by large language models and task automation logic. Unlike static chatbots, agents are proactive. They remind, prompt, and plan autonomous. They complete multi-step tasks for you contextual. They learn your behavior and adapt over time. Think of them as a blend of ChatGPT, Zapier, a very organized executive assistant all rolled into one, and working around the clock. What can they do in 2025? Today's personal agents can 1. Manage your calendar, book meetings, reschedule conflicts, suggest time blocks for deep work. 2. Write and send emails, draft replies, sort by priority, auto-respond to common requests. 3. Handle tasks, remind you to pay bills, order groceries, cancel subscriptions you forgot you had. 4. Support personal goals, track habits, suggest workouts or meals, help you learn languages or prep for interviews. 5. Manage workflows, post content, organize cloud files. Sync across platforms, some even help with emotional wellness, checking in on your mood or recommending a walk. Tools and platforms leading the way. Here are the key players in 2025's personal AI agent landscape. Tool, platform. Rewind, AI. Focus, Life OS that records and recalls your digital history. Humane, AI Pin, wearable assistant with context awareness. Limitless, formerly Mind Portal, brain-to-agent experiments, memory assistants. ChatGPT plus memory, OpenAI's evolving personal agent experience. Rabbit R1, pocket AI agent that interfaces with your apps. Hey Pi, Inflection AI, friendly, emotionally aware conversation assistant. AutoGPT, Agent GPT, experimental, open-source multi-agent environments. Many combine voice, vision, and text, and some are integrated into your OS or hardware already. What makes this possible now? Why are personal AI agents suddenly viable in 2025? 1. Massive LLM improvements. GPT-4, Claude 3.5, and Gemini Ultra are capable of memory, reasoning, and adaptation, essential for building agents that feel human-like. 2. Tool use and app integration. Agents can now use apps and websites on your behalf, not just advise you. 3. Long-term memory systems like ChatGPT Memory or Rewind allow agents to remember past interactions and preferences. 4. On-device compute. Thanks to models like Mistral and Llama 3, some agents now run offline or semi-locally, improving privacy and speed. 5. Ecosystem investment. Billions are being poured into smart assistant wearables, iOS layers, and agent frameworks. The limitations still very real, but before you fire your executive assistant, keep this in mind. 1. Reliability. Agents can still fail at multi-step tasks or misunderstand context. Example: you say, "Book my usual hairdresser for next Friday," and it emails your dentist instead. 2. Security and privacy. These tools often require deep access to your calendar, contacts, inbox, and habits. If misused, this could expose sensitive data. 3. Decision-making boundaries. AI agents still struggle with nuance. Should it email your boss or just draft it? Should it spend money on your behalf? 4. Ethical gray areas. How much autonomy should AI have? What if it says something that sounds like you, but isn't? What use cases work best right now? Personal AI agents work especially well for 1. Busy professionals, inbox triage, scheduling, report drafting. 2. Students and researchers, summarizing papers, setting study schedules. 3. Neurodivergent users, support for executive function, reminders, prioritization. 4. Solopreneurs automating admin, social media, and customer service. 5. Content creators drafting scripts, managing posts, interacting with fans. Where is this going next? Looking ahead, we'll see multi-agent systems that collaborate with each other, personalized voice agents with your tone and speech pattern, local first AI that works without cloud access, digital memory assistants that remember your files, links, and conversations. Agent OS. Layers built into Windows, Mac OS, and mobile platforms. AI that can not only act, but explain why it acted. In short, AI that's less tool, more teammate. After years of hype, personal AI agents are finally here, and they're only getting smarter. They won't replace your brain, but they might help it breathe. Whether you're a business owner, a creative, or just someone who forgets to follow up on texts, this new wave of AI might change how you manage your day. Subscribe to AITHORITY for more on the tools, trends, and breakthroughs shaping your personal AI stack. Drop a comment. What's one task you wish your AI could handle completely for you? And next time, we're heading back into the workplace. How AI copilots are taking over business meetings, one calendar at a time.